Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Toyota 86 GTS Coupe, stock reference number 5170. The shape runs from the 4th month 2012 through to the 9th month 2016. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent and light wobbles, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, boot lid has a couple of dents, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right door has one small dent and light wobbles, right guard has one small dent, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.